Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to upload files to Gumroad. So actually guys, first you will need to go with gumroad.com website on your browser, and then just go with products right here on the left hand menu. Okay, and now guys, you will need to go with a new products, the option that's located at the top right corner of the screen, and then you will need to click on digital products, and if you're adding files to an existing product, you will need to go to that products and then just edit it. So here you will need to give it a name. So let's go, and the price here you can choose the currency, and after that just go with next to customize. So in the files section, like the cover, the thumbnail, and add details, you can offer variation of this product. You can go, for example, with cover, then upload image, and here you can choose from your computer files or external link. So the supported formats include the PDF, EPUB, MOBI, MP3, MP4, images, ZIP, and software files. And the maximum file size is typically 60 gigabytes per file. So actually you will need to go with contents right here, and also you can upload the files just from here and organize your files, so you can rename files for clarity, and you can add multiple files, for example a PDF plus bonus resources, and then just go with publish and continue, then save changes. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.